I'm like any, many, mine and more. How many when the club will go? I know you see. I know you see. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee Thompson. Thank you guys so much for joining me this week. So we're going to be getting into a product review this week. I'm so excited about it because this is an affordable line. Y'all heard me. What you say? I said affordable, okay? I've been hearing you guys. I know that some of the natural hair products that I review can be expensive, so I do definitely want to give you guys another option to get some banger results as well. So I recently was sent a PR package from Bella Curls, and even though they sent me the product, you know I'm still gonna give y'all my honest opinion, okay? So I got the Coconut Milk Nourishing Shampoo. Well, let me see if I can get it to focus. There it goes. The Coconut Milk Nourishing Conditioner. Oh, come on, baby. There it goes. And then I also got the Coconut Whipped Cream Leave-In Conditioner. All right. And the Coconut Cream Curl Defining Cream. And then I went and I picked up, I saw online that they had the Coconut Cream Co-Wash. So I also picked that up as well. Because, I mean, why not? So first off the bat, the first thing I'm going to say about this line is it's extremely affordable, okay? I went to Dollar General and picked up the Co-Wash. Everything else, I priced it there. And at my Dollar General, it was $4.50. It was on like a, you know how they have a sales every week, so it was on sale, but the regular price was still $5 and I think some change. Depends on your location, it might fluctuate maybe like $1 or $2. So that is pretty affordable. For each product, you'll probably spend right around $20, right around 20. If you get all 5, you'll be right at $25, give or take your tax situation. So that is extremely affordable. I have some products that cost right at $25. So anyway, I want to let you guys know that there is some affordable options out there that can work in your hair. So I'm going to demo this product for you so you can see how I use them. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep getting notifications from your girl. There's also a bell button there, so it will notify you when I upload. So you can't say, oh, I didn't know you uploaded in the middle of the night. Because I do it sometimes. But anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. And I hope you guys enjoy.
Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Coconut Milk Nourishing Shampoo. It's a nice creamy consistency. I really like it. The lather is a soft lather. It doesn't suds up too much, so I don't feel like it's completely stripping my hair. I am washing my hair in braids to prevent additional friction on my ends. So this is my first time trying this method and I really like it. This shampoo is very cleansing. As you can see, it's not super sudsy, but it's not stripping my hair, but it is getting it clean. All right, so this is after I've rinsed out that shampoo, and as you can see, my scalp is clean and ready for conditioning. So now I'm going to go in with the Coconut Milk Nourishing Conditioner. This is a nice creamy consistency too, and as you can see, this slip though. Can we have a moment of silence for the slip? Like, I'm completely amazed. Now, I do want you to keep in mind that this is not a deep conditioner. This is just a conditioner. So I will probably leave this on my hair longer. On the bottle, it states to leave in for 2 to 3 minutes. I don't know if that's necessarily going to work for me, but I am going to, I'm able to detangle my hair with this deep conditioner. So I'm going to work this conditioner. So I'm going to work it through, and then I'm going to braid it up in section and get ready to sit up under my dryer.
Okay, so I'm going to leave this on like a deep conditioner. I'm going to sit up under my dryer for 20 minutes and then I'm going to come back. The reason I'm doing that is because they don't have a deep conditioner in this line and I want to make sure that my hair gets the most from the product. So I'll be back in 20 minutes and let you guys see the results and then we'll complete the review.
Okay, now I'm going to go in with the coconut whipped cream leave-in conditioner. I love the consistency on this. It's very thick and hydrating. It also has an amazing slip, and I'm just going to squeeze this into my hair to make sure that it's definitely penetrating my hair shaft. And look how easy it is for me to detangle. My brush is literally gliding through. The smell is amazing. I just love how thick and luxurious this feels. Like, it feels expensive, but it's not. So now I'm going to go in with the coconut cream styling cream. This also is a thicker consistency, so I do feel like it's going to be extra hydrating. A little goes a long way with this, so I'm just going to take about a quarter size and then work it into my hair. And then if I feel like I need a little bit more, I will go back in and add it. I do want to pay attention to my ends here, and just making sure that my hair is super hydrated and ready to be prepped for this braid out. As you can see, my hair actually has a little definition from the cream, so I probably wouldn't use this as a wash and go anyway, but I do think that this will be a good twist out, braid out cream. If you have finer textures like wavier to light curly textures, then you will probably use this as a styler if your hair is a lot finer than mine, so this wouldn't weigh your hair down. Next, I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair down. Any tips for my tips for a perfect braid out is to make sure your sections are even so that you're not borrowing hair from any other section. If you do that, then you will increase your chances of frizz. So make sure that all of your sections are even all the way down. I take my brush and smooth out my ends. Now, I do not braid my hair all the way down to the ends. I kind of twirl the ends once I get to about 1 inch down, as you can see right there. And I do that all over my head. Now I'm going to tie my hair down and go to sleep. All right, so this is the next day. All I'm going to do is just fluff this out to my liking. I do not separate my braids all the way to the ends. I kind of just take it from the root and then separate it, just to keep that definition in my hair. And as you can see, the definition from that cream, my hair looks hydrated and shiny. I love it. Love, love, love.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Now I'm going to get into the details, the nitty gritty, what I really think about this product. First things first is the pros. The product is affordable. I mean, who doesn't like an affordable product? Not only is it affordable, but my hair is super soft. Like, y'all can see that shine. Yeah, like that. I'm very impressed with that. My hair is super shiny from the inside out. It feels hydrated, it feels moisturized. Like, it doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't have like a residue on it. And normally when I use some creams, I get that residue. So I'm gonna go over my favorite products. I actually ended up really liking the conditioner, even though I left it in for like 3 hours. It says to leave it in for like 2 to 3 minutes. I didn't even look back and see like what they normally recommend until today. So yeah, it says 2 to 3 minutes, but y'all know what that means in natural hair community. Leave it on as long as you like, okay? You don't have to leave it on overnight, but give it some time to marinate. And I actually sat up under the dryer too with the conditioner. Sat up under the dryer, and I also left it in for 3 hours, and my hair felt like butter when I rinsed it out. And then on top of that butter, I followed up with this leave-in conditioner. This right here. Come on a little bit closer. This is bomb, okay? This leave-in is like a natural girl's dream. Like, I normally don't even like coconut, but this is giving me life, okay? For the price point, you can't beat it. You cannot beat it. Like, it moisturized my hair without weighing it down, so I don't feel like it's like super droopy. But the slip, though, even if your deep conditioners don't have the slip that you're looking for, your leave-in should. If it don't, then throw it away, okay? This was my favorite product in the whole line. So if you don't get nothing else, at least get the coconut cream curl defining cream was also a really, really good product. It actually surprised me. Now, the first time I used it, I think I used too much. The second time was like in the tutorial. The second time was before the tutorial, but the third time I used it, I figured out the right amount to use for my hair to get it to do what I wanted to do. The first time I used it, I kind of got some flaking, a little bit of residue, but I used a lot. Y'all know. I was thinking, oh, I'm gonna need a way more product to get this to work for me, and it really wasn't. I used what you guys saw on the video, which was like a quarter sized amount, and it still gave me banging results. So I hope you guys like this review. I hope you guys liked my tutorial as well, because this is what I do on all of my braid outs. And with all products, whatever you decide to use, whatever works for you, even if it's a $2 product, whatever it is, it's all about your technique. It's all about how you take care of your hair. It's all about your methods. And then the products just put the icing on the cake. So master your technique first, and then you can use pretty much anything. I mean, if it doesn't work, that just means the product is just not for you. Happy Easter to everybody. Hope you guys enjoy this time with your family, and I'll catch you guys next week.